Okay, kids. Sir, shall we start now?
I think it's okay. We can start now.
Yes. Yes, Sandana, thank you. Shall we start or you are going to start, sir?
Yes, of course, madam. We can start.
Yes, please.
Okay, hello everyone. Hi. I think you cannot see me because I have some technical issue here. I don't know
No worries,
why,
sir.
but I think my voice is enough. Okay, these are my children. We are from Cyber Troopers Club, actually, in English Society. We have something to share afterwards, and we are very excited to meet you all. Okay,
Yes.
madam.
We too, sir.
Okay, are we going to present first?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
We are
sorry.
okay. No
Okay.
worries. Yes.
Okay. Is it displayed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Damia.
Wow.
Okay, Damia, let's go.
So fine.
Damia, you can start.
Hi everyone, my name is Damia. I am 11 years old. I want to share with you some information about Malaysia. First, Malaysia flag. It has 14 stripes and 14 points of star. It is because we have 14 states in the country. Second, our national flower is hibiscus. It is red and has 5 petals. Third, our rule is the king and queen. He is Sultan Abdullah of Pahang. That's all from me now. Tua will continue. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful, beautiful.
Thank you, Damia. Hi, friends. My name is Tua. These are Malaysian favorite food. On your left side is kuih tepung pelita. It is very sweet and soft. Next is otak-otak. It is made of fish. Be careful because sometimes it is very spicy. It depends on the color because of chili. Lastly, lemang. It is sticky rice cooked in a bamboo steam. Then it will be grilled on open fire. It is very delicious. That's all from me. Anissa will continue.
Okay, very good. Nice.
Thank you, Tua. Hi, friends. I am Anissa. I will continue the slides. There are many interesting places to visit in Malaysia. If you like adventure, you can visit the adventure park. You may scream a lot when you play game inside it. Lastly, Langkawi. They're the highest cable car in Asia. You will enjoy your time being here. That's all from me. Shami will continue with last info.
Wonderful kid, wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay. Shami is just entering just now. Shami is just entering just now. Okay, we can have a look at the traditional dances. Like in Sabah and Sarawak, we have Sumazau and Ngajat. We also have Indian friends who live together in Malaysia. Of course, we have many Indian friends, and of course Chinese friends. They like dragon dance, and these are the major popular dances, especially Zapin. It is from Johor. Originally from Johor. Okay, I guess that's all from us. Is
Thank
it
you, sir.
interesting? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Beautiful. The slides are very beautiful and the kids presented very well. Their English is well fluent. We are happy with them.
Thank you.
Excellent, sir.
I think they
Thank
work
you.
hard when I told them to do.
Very nice, sir. And please close your share slide.
Okay, sorry.
Let me share. Let me share my side.
Okay, then.
One second.
Okay.
Yes. Namaste. This is a way of greetings from India. Let us start our Indian presentation. So this is our beautiful country.
Oh, it's very beautiful.
Welcome. Yes. Next, welcome song by one of my student, Madhimala.
Balakrishna
One second.
அவநீலவர்ணனே பாலகிருஷ்ணனே அவநீலவர்ணனே பாலகிருஷ்ண நீலவர்ண புல்லாங்குழலோதுரான் பாலகிருஷ்ண நீலவர்ண புல்லாங்குழலோதுரான் ஓதுரான் ஓதுரான் புல்லாங்குழலோதுரான் ஓதுரான் ஓதுரான் புல்லாங்குழலோதுரான் பாலகிருஷ்ணனே அவன் நீலவர்ணனே பாலகிருஷ்ணனே அவன் நீலவர்ணனே உரியிலுள்ள வெண்ணையெல்லாம் உருட்டி உருட்டி திங்கிறான் உரியிலுள்ள வெண்ணையெல்லாம் உருட்டி உருட்டி திங்கிறான் 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 உருட்டி உருட்டி திங்கிறான் 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 உருட்டி உருட்டி திங்கிறான் பாலகிருஷ்ணனே அவன் நீலவர்ணனே பாலகிருஷ்ணனே அவன் நீலவர்ணனே பாலகிருஷ்ணனே அவன் நீலவர்ணனே அவன் நீலவர்ணனே அவன் நீலவர்ணனே.
Okay. Let us start our presentation. Madhimalar, have you joined? Yes. Bharati, you can present Madhimalar's slide.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, everyone. This is Bharati from India. I'm going to speak about languages of India. India has 28 states and 7 union territories. There are 18 official languages and 114 languages, 216 mother languages and 900 dialects in India. Hindi, national language, and English we use as commonly used for all over the nation, and political, commercial, educational, and educational purposes. India is 7th largest country and 2nd most populous country in the world. 1 out of 5 people in the world is an Indian.
Thank you, Bharati. Next, Shamita, introduce yourself. Yes, Shamita, you joined. I saw you. Let me see. Shamita, any network glitch? Okay, no problem. Tanushree, you can present your friend's slide.
Mahatma Gandhi is deserved in India as the father of the nation. National flag of India is Tiranga tricolor flag. National emblem of India is the statue depicted for as Asiatic lions. National bird of India is peacock. National animal of India is Bengal tiger. National flower of India is lotus. National fruit of India is mango. National tree of India is mighty banyan tree. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanushree. Yes. Yes, Sandana. One second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello,
introduce
everyone.
yourself.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sandana. I'm studying in 8th grade and I live in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu in India. Today, I'm going to talk about the population in India. India has the second largest population in the world. As of February 2021, there are more than 1.38 billion people in India. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in country. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandana. Next, Parveen.
Lovely, Sanjana.
Thank you, sir.
Hello everyone, this is Parveen coming from India, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Incredible India cultures and traditional are something which has now become renowned all across the world. We all review the customs and the tradition of India as something very diverse and unique. The most of this originate from the ancient India scriptures and the text which has declared the way of life in India for thousands of years. Here are some has
Fascinating.
fascinating India cultural, traditional and customs. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Parveen. Thank you. Tanushree.
Namaste. The Namaste is one of the most popular Indian customs. The Namaste or Namaskaram or Vanakkam is one of the 5 forms of traditional greetings mentioned in the ancient Hindu Vedas. It translates to I bow to you and greeting one another. It is a way of saying may our minds meet. India by the folded palms placed before the chest. In Tamil language, we say it as Vanakkam, which means welcome.
Thank you, Tanushree. Next, let me call Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Yes, she is having some network glitch. Yes, Nakshatra, you can present the slides.
Hi, I'm Nakshatra from India, Teen English India. Agriculture. Agriculture is the backbone of our country. Indian ranks second in the world in agriculture production. Indian is the top producer of milk, spices, pulse, tea, cashews, and jutes, and the second largest producer of rice, wheat, oilseeds, fruits, and vegetables, sugarcane, and cotton. Thank you.
Thank you, Nakshatra. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes. Sandana, you can present our Indian cuisine.
Yes, ma'am. Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine reflects 8,000 years of history of various groups and cultures. India is rightly called the land of spices. Indian food and cuisine not only from an integral part of the culture of India, but are also one of the critical factors of India's popularity worldwide. The style of cooking varies from region to region. The Indian food has scientific repercussion for its extensive use of spices and herbs. Just like dance, religious parties, languages, and clothes, you will also find a wide variety of food throughout the country. Almost every region is known for a signature dish or ingredient. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandana. Yes. Anyone I left out? Anusha?
It's so delicious.
Yes, sir. Always Indian food is of more spicy.
You know what?
I think
I love puri.
yes, sir. Yes, yes. Anusha, please unmute yourself and present this slide. Many kids are having the network problem.
It's okay.
Okay, let me call Bharati. Bharati, you can read out these slides.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
all the remaining slides, you please present.
Okay, ma'am. In India, there exists the concept of a joint family, wherein the entire family, parents, wife, children, and in some cases relatives, all live together. This is mostly because of the united nature of the Indian society and also reportedly helps in handling pressure and stress. It is believed that children who grow up in an extended family with grandparents, aunt, mom,
Uncles.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Grandparents, aunt, uncles, and cousin will imbibe the qualities of sharing, caring, empathy, and understanding. One of the main advantages of a joint family,
Yes.
joint family system is strong bonding. It creates among siblings and other members of the family.
Yes. Yes. Next slide also read.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Wonderful, Bharati.
It's wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. The vibrant and glorious festivals of India. India also sees a large number of festivals, mainly because of the prevalence of diverse religions and groups. The Muslims celebrate Eid, the Christians have Christmas and Good Friday, the Sikhs have Baisakhi, harvesting of crop, and the birthdays of their gurus, and the Hindus have Diwali, Holi, Makara Sankranti. The Jains have Mahavir Jayanti. The Buddhists celebrate the Buddha's birthday on Buddha Purnima. And quite honestly, the number is endless. All of these translate to all holidays in our book, of course.
Yes. This is
Thank you,
the way
dear.
of clothing. Yes, this is
Lots
the way
of
of
thank
clothing in India. The clothing in India is dependent upon the different ethnicity, geography, climate, and cultural traditions of the people. Each region of India, we wear in different regions of India, we wear different kinds of dresses, but mostly sari is for female garment in the Indian continent. Next, let me move on to yes, Bharati, your slide.
Yes, ma'am. Tamil Nadu jewelry. Tamil people have historically been connoisseurs of fine gold jewelry, which has a history predating the Sangam period in Indian subcontinent. Apart from gold, jewelry was also fashioned out of silver, copper, brass, and brass. Now we will look out the different jewelries.
Yes, Bharti, just mention this one. Just mention the names of the jewelries. Just mention
ma'am.
just name. Yes.
We have Hattigai, Kasumalai,
also-
which consists of all the coins.
Yes.
Next, we have Ottiyanam, that is tied around the waist of women. Jumka, or it is called as Jimki, which is the earrings of Indian people. And Neti Choti, that is weared on the forehead of the women. Anklets, that is wearing on the legs of the women.
Beautiful, Bharati. This is very nice. Let me
Thank
move on
you.
to the dance of India. Nakshatra, please read the slide.
Yeah, ma'am. Dance in India. Dance in India has an unbroken tradition of over 2000 years. Important among them are Bharatanatyam, Kathakali, Kathak, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, and Odissi. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance tradition in India that emerged in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, these are all the different kinds of dances. Due to the time limit, I am moving little bit faster.
Okay.
Let me move.
please.
Let me give the share option to Nakshatra. Nakshatra, you can share your slide now. Let me stop this. Let me end this one. Yes, Nakshatra, you can share your
Slide, ma'am.
animals. Animals, you prepared one animal slide.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. She prepared one slide about. Hi, Rafi sir. Your camera is on.
It's another phone, actually.
Okay. Yes. My kids prepared a slide about animals of
Yep.
India.
Yes.
Nakshatra, yes. She is going to present the animals.
Okay, please. We are excited to see.
Yes. Nakshatra, please make it fast because the time limit is only 6 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I'm Nakshatra Miha from India. I'm studying 5th standard in Madras Christian College from Teeny English, India. Indian wildlife. Indian is a land full of unmatched wild treasure. The climate, conditions, and the geographical feature make the country one of the top biodiverse spot of Earth. In terms of its size, population, and even wildlife, India is a land of incredible extremes. Some of the largest and even some of the smallest wildlife on the planet can be found across Indian vast array of rich mountain, verdant grassland, luscious tropical jungles and forest, dense wetland, and arid deserts. Okay. The
Very good,
official
girl. Very
national
good.
the official national state animals India. As a symbol of a strength and power, the Bengal tiger is the official national animal of India. Other important symbols include the Indian elephant and the Indian peacock. The state of India has set aside more than 500 wildlife sanctuary and 100 national parks to protect its wildlife. Facts about Indian wildlife. Indian maintains 415 wildlife sanctuary and 89 national parks and 130 bioreserves throughout the country. Thank you.
Excellent, Nakshatra. Your slides are so beautiful.
Well done,
Thank you,
Nakshatra.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity.
Okay,
You
please
are very good.
close your slide.
Okay,
Please close your sites so that we can talk with each other. Yes, sir. Parveen, please
Ma'am.
unmute yourself. Yes, you can share your experience about our today's meeting.
Yes, ma'am. I like this meeting. Meeting was excellent, but I can't see the sad face clearly.
Now you can see sir's place. He opened his camera.
I can't see it, ma'am.
Okay, okay, no worries. Thank you, Parveen, for your feedback. Yes, Tanushree.
Yeah, miss. I love this meeting. Excellent meeting. I enjoyed a lot.
Okay. Yes, yes, Kit. Thank you. Anyone else would like to share your views about our? Yes, Nakshatra. Yes, dear.
It's a wonderful meeting.
Okay.
And I enjoyed this meeting, and it's very nice about Malaysia.
Yes.
Thank you, dear.
Very nice.
Anissa, do you want to
And
say anything about their beautiful
Interesting.
countries? Anissa?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What do you think about their beautiful country? Which place do you like? Which the most?
Cameron Island.
Hey, Indian.
Yeah.
You saw the presentation, right? So which part
Yes.
of the presentation you like the most? Name it.
Like
Is it animal or the places?
animals. You like our animals or some places? Which one you like? Animals. Wow. Thank you. Thank you,
Well-
kid.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Sandana. Yes, please. Yes, Sandana.
In this meeting, I have learned a lot of things about Malaysia, and the Malaysian foods were tempting me,
Yes.
and I learned a lot of new informations. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you for this
thank you.
opportunity.
Yes. Thank
Indian
you,
foods
sir.
are lovely
Real-
too. Indian foods are
Yes.
lovely too, especially
Lovely.
puri and what do we call it? A potato.
Masala.
Yes,
Potato masala.
potato masala. I love
You
to
got
order
it?
that.
Oh. Okay, sir. We welcome you all to India. We'll be hosting you after the pandemic. Please come and visit our India.
Of course, we hope so.
Yes, sir. We are happy to meet you all. Thank you for this meeting, sir. It's really excellent.
Thank you, Indian boys and girls. You are very good in presenting your country. I really like to go there.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. It's time up.
Okay.
Okay.
Hope we can meet
leave.
again.
Sir, it's time up. So in the
Okay.
next meet, we shall play the game because
Okay.
it's time up.
Okay,
We
of
shall
course.
play the game, kids, in the next meeting.
No problem.
We'll
madam.
arrange the same meeting like this.
Of
We'll
course.
meet in the next week or other week. Me and Rafi sir will plan and we'll
course.
announce so that at that time we'll do something else. We'll talk about some other topic.
Of course.
And yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
kids.
thank you everyone.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, boys and girls. Bye bye.
Yes.